Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you where to find and how to change the spark plug in a TaoTao 50cc Moped. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. Alright, so the first thing we want to go ahead and do is remove this giant seat so we can gain access to the actual spark plug. It'll be a lot easier to take it out. So I just have a number 10 just like this, and this will remove all the restraining bolts right here, and there's 4 of them. So let's get a better camera angle right now, and I'll move this up so you guys can see. So there's 4 of them total. So you got one here, here, then down here, and here. And when you remove those 4, you can just pop this out, and then you can see the engine. So now we have a better view of where the spark plug will be. So let's move this a little bit closer, get down in here, and then zoom in. So here is my engine. So if I move to the left a little bit, you can see I already have the spark plug kind of already taken out. So with this, I am using just a ratchet and a 5/8, and I'm going to be able to remove this. So you can see the spark plug cap right here. So it's not this giant black one right over here. It's actually located over here on the opposite side, kind of on the side of the engine. So I don't know if you can see this real well. When you're taking off the cap, you have to align it with this little hole. So it's going to be like this on the side right over here. So you're going to turn it so it's kind of face up like this on the side, and then pull it out so the cap actually comes out. And then the spark plug will actually still be in there. So now that we have that out of the way, you want to bring your ratchet and your 5/8 and put it in the little hole that's down here. So I already have the spark plug kind of like already out. So you want to ratchet it out and loosen it up. And here will be my spark plug. It just comes out just like that. And this is the default one that's in it. It looks like a TT 5005 spark plug, real cheap. So this is the whole area right here. You can kind of see where my ratchet is. You got to watch out for this little metal piece right here. If you are really trying to loosen it up, don't pinch your fingers on this and hurt yourself. That could be real problematic. So watch out for that when you're loosening the spark plug up. And after about 2 or 3 minutes, you should be able to pull it out. Then you can easily slot your new one in and put the cap back on, just like that, and you should be good to go. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more moped videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.